Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the Cumbor 29.7 to 46-inch baby gate for stairs, a Mom's Choice Awards winner that's perfect for keeping your little ones and pets safe. This versatile gate stands at 30.5 inches tall and can be adjusted to fit widths from 29.7 to 46 inches, making it suitable for most doorways and staircases. Designed with a double lock safety release, it ensures that curious toddlers are securely blocked, giving parents peace of mind. Constructed from durable steel, this gate can withstand impacts up to 150 pounds, so you never have to worry about it being pushed down by a playful pet or an adventurous child. Installation is a breeze with its simple pressure mounting system, allowing even a nanny to set it up in just 10 minutes without any tools. Whether you need it for stairs, hallways, or open spaces, the Cumbor gate offers a world-class experience with options for both pressure and drill installation. Don't forget, Cumbor provides a range of sizes and accessories, ensuring you find the perfect fit for your home. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.